Have you ever felt the crushing pressure of being unemployed or stuck in a job that drains the life out of you? You're not alone, and the longer the job hunt drags on, the heavier it gets. But what if I told you there's a smarter, faster way to land your next opportunity without sending hundreds of resumes into the void? In this video, I'm going to share proven, real-world strategies to speed up your job search, get recruiters to notice you, and help you bounce back with confidence. Let's dive in. Being unemployed or stuck in a toxic work environment is one of life's most stressful experiences. And when you're under pressure, the last thing you need is a long, draining job search that goes nowhere. That's why every tactic I'm about to show you is designed to cut through the noise and get you back to work faster with better results. Let's start with the foundation, your resume. Here's the hard truth. A generic resume won't get you far in today's job market. Hiring managers and recruiters are dealing with hundreds, sometimes thousands of applicants. In fact, for one senior role, a colleague of mine posted, they received over 500 applications in just 24 hours. There's no way a human can manually review them all. So we rely on ATS systems, applicant tracking software, to do the first round of screening. If your resume isn't optimized for both ATS and human readability, it's likely being skipped, not because you're not qualified, but because your resume isn't showing it clearly enough. Start by identifying keywords from the job description and naturally incorporating them into your resume, especially in your skills and experience sections. Format your resume cleanly and avoid fancy designs that ATS systems can't parse. Need help with this? Check out my other resume video to better understand, and check out our ATS-friendly resume builder at careersync.ai. Here's where most job seekers go wrong. They use one resume for every job. Bad move. If you really want to stand out, you need to tailor your resume for each specific role. Let me explain. Employers don't want a jack of all trades. They want someone who looks like a perfect fit for the role they're hiring for. If you have multiple skill sets or specialties, that's great, but don't cram them all into one document. Instead, create separate, targeted resumes for each job type. This makes you look more specialized, more confident, and more aligned with the company's needs. Now, let's talk about where you're applying. It's easy to fall into the trap of bouncing between dozens of niche job sites, thinking you're uncovering hidden gems. But here's the truth. Most companies post their openings on major job boards like Indeed, LinkedIn, or Google Jobs, and those jobs get automatically syndicated across smaller sites. So don't waste your time on obscure platforms. Stick to the big three and you'll capture 90% of what's out there. Efficiency is everything when you're on a job hunt. Now, this one might sting a little. Stop applying to every job that's even remotely relevant. That shotgun approach, it's not only ineffective, it's exhausting. If you're applying to jobs where you don't meet at least 70% of the listed qualifications, chances are you're not going to get a call back. And racking up rejection emails isn't just discouraging, it can seriously damage your momentum. Instead, narrow your focus. Apply only to jobs you're a strong match for, use the time you save to network strategically, follow up on applications, and polish your profile. Quality over quantity wins every time. Want to respond to recruiters in seconds instead of minutes? Create communication templates for emails and messages. Not robotic, copy-paste replies, but flexible, pre-drafted messages with space for personalization. Set up a custom signature in Gmail, draft follow-up templates in Google Docs. That way, when a recruiter reaches out or you need to follow up, you're not scrambling. You just tweak, paste, send. It saves time, and more importantly, helps you respond faster than your competition. Let's supercharge your workflow. You don't need a fancy system, just a smart one. Use Google Sheets to track every job you've applied to, include columns for company, title, date applied, follow-up deadlines, and notes. Use Grammarly to clean up your messages and avoid embarrassing typos. And install a tool like MailTrack to see when your emails are opened. Yes, it can cause anxiety, but it gives you data, and data is power. All of this helps you stay organized and keeps the momentum going. Hitting refresh on job boards all day? That's not a strategy. That's stress. Instead, set up job alerts with your top keywords. You'll get notified the second new roles are posted, and that lets you apply early, which is key. Companies don't always wait for the posting to age before reviewing candidates. Some begin scheduling interviews on day one, so being among the first to apply can significantly boost your chances. Want to go even further? Set alerts directly on company websites via their ATS systems. If you're eyeing a specific company, this ensures you never miss an opening. Now, what if you're doing all this and still not getting interviews? 9 times out of 10, it's a resume problem. Even highly qualified candidates get ghosted because their resume isn't telling the right story. That's why I created this video and channel designed to show you exactly how to craft a resume that grabs attention and gets interviews. And once you land that interview, you need to crush it confidently and strategically. That's where my other videos comes in. From handling phone screens to salary negotiations, it walks you through every stage of the process. Be sure to check out those videos because landing a job isn't just about being qualified. It's about knowing how to present yourself powerfully. Here's the ultimate play. Instead of chasing jobs, make recruiters come to you. It's possible with LinkedIn. My Stop Sending Bad LinkedIn Invites video teaches you how to use LinkedIn efficiently, network like a pro, grow your network, and tap into hidden job markets by discovering high-quality job opportunities before they are even advertised. This is how you stop being just another applicant and start becoming a candidate that companies compete for. So if you're tired of low-impact job boards, burned out on ghosting, and ready to finally land that next role, start putting these strategies into action. Optimize and tailor your resume. Focus your efforts on high-impact job boards. Use templates, tools, and alerts to save time and boost your results. And when in doubt, fix your resume first. Thanks for watching. For more career-boosting tips and insider insights from the best in the game, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Your next job is out there. Now go get it.